Okay, this camera I bought because I want to uh, configure for the night vision. Okay, it's a very cheap camera, right? It's not actually for quality shots. It's only to configure to dedicate for the night vision. I'll show you later on how can we do this. Then we have this wire. It's very important for printers. It's 3 meters. Okay, EMBM cable. Okay, I have also these. I'm sorry, it's a mess here because this is my new residence. All right, transparent paper, PVC paper for printing the circuits here, right? And the PCB's development. This one is for the I'm sorry, this is for the synthesizing of the MIDI music, for your own music. This is a drone. It's not a quality drone, but I need it for my purposes. This one I forget what is it exactly. I have to figure out later on. Okay, this was some electronics, which is very important. I bought from the electronics shops here, local electronics shops. This one is the soldering paste. This one is for the flux. This flux is very important to remove the CMD electronics. This one is the permanent paste glue. Okay, these batteries are very important, and some set of the old resistors, right? And other too many things also. This one is a measuring tool, and this is a flashlight for ultraviolet light. This one is a device to separate the screens of clever devices such as cell phones and tablets for repairing. This one is a digital microscope that has a screen that you can record your projects and whatever repairs that you need to do on the very tiny materials of the electronics. This one is a drum for my old laser printer, and this is an inkjet printer, which is very high quality, that I can use to print on the transparent paper here to develop the PCBs. And this is a lamination machine. Okay, very important, using heat. Okay, I bought all these things, and many things are also to come, in order to have a time later on the weekend, to set up everyone alone and review everyone alone. So stay with us, guys. Today it's Tuesday, the 9th of June 2026, and my God, this week is very long. I cannot wait until next Thursday or the weekend. Seems to me the weekend will take so much time before I got it, and that's the only chance where I can actually review all these materials. This is my new resident here. I'm sorry, my new residence here, and we are going to have a beautiful weekend. Thank you very much, and see you soon.